Auntie Ava. Today we're gonna get a YouTube channel because I'm about to go to Target and wash Auntie's car because we're about to get some science experiments in here and look at all these pictures and lights.
Okay. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to finally name my Jeep. If you've commented under my Instagram under @pinkjeepkiki, if you commented or made suggestions on the name and stuff like that, today is the day, guys. Months and months I've been deliberating on this and I could not figure what font, what name did I want to name my Jeep and all that stuff. But yeah, so basically this is going to be a decorate with me part 2. And I'm going to do a couple of things to it and then put the name on the hood. First, we got to wash it though. Okay, first things first, I'm going to insert some grill inserts in here to give it a black accent. So here is a sample of that. I'm going to insert it right here. And it comes with like an adhesive tape, so I guess I'll just rip this red part off and then insert it in there. I got this from Amazon and I want to say maybe it was like 30 bucks or something like that. Not that expensive, I guess. So before, after, I love this. Like, it's so simple, but it just adds so much to it. Like, it looks like next I got my Instagram name. I'm guessing I should just put this right here on the back window, right? Follow me on Instagram, guys. pinkjeepkiki. I guess it's off center a little bit. How many OCD people this is gonna irritate, huh? Like whatever, it's fine, it's fine. It's time for the name. What's the name, y'all? What is the name? Tell me. Tell me. What's the name? Well, alright guys, so let me know what y'all think about the name and let me know what else I should do, because the decorate with me's do not end. Okay, when you get a Jeep, you just do modifications all day every day. Okay, it doesn't end unless your money in, and right now, yeah, I need a job.